Good morning. It's 7:30 on a Sunday morning and I am dressed and ready for a day of sewing. I'm going to be using some free sewing patterns today and I've already rolled out my denim. So I'm going to make a tote bag. Eee! Let's go.
Alrighty, yos, it's time to cut out this pattern. I've got my super special helper friend with me today, Timmy, who is scared of angles, but he loves to feel like he's useful and he helps me measure out the pieces. He's very good at maths, so he's very handy to have around. He also loves attention, so that's why he's now sitting in front of the camera and taking the spotlight from me. Rude. Timmy left so I could get my spotlight back, thank God, because I am desperate for attention. Anyways, this is me cutting out pieces, just like a pro, like a pro. I haven't seen any other sewists use a angle measuring tool like this one to cut out perfect squares, but I highly recommend it. I stole this one from my fiance. I think you can get one from any hardware store if you want one. I've now cut out all the pieces and I'm making the handles by folding all the sides inwards and then folding it over itself, if that makes sense. And look how excited I am. Just look at that face. So excited. Time to sew. What a tune! Oh my gosh, that music made me so happy. Okay, so I've now made the pockets and I'm putting it all together and I get the first picture of what it's going to look like and I'm so excited. The straps look amazing and I'm excited. If you take a close look though, you realize that I've made a massive mistake here and I am going to find out once I have put all the pieces together, which is in 3, 2, 1, and
Oh no. Very huge. Thank you, Pablo. Moral support. I made a huge mistake. Oh no. Alright. I'm such an idiot. Denim. Oh! Nice. Nice. Denim is so strong. Ah! Oh. Yes, baby. I love denim. This could be it could be a cute top. It could be a cute top. This is the saddest day of my life.
What? It's probably great. I'll do that. This is the sad state, but
That'd be actually, yeah, that would be pretty sad.
that'd be good.
No, because that means I've never loved or had all those good feelings. Because if you don't have the good feelings, then you don't get the big lows, you know?
Yeah.
If you don't have the lows, you don't get the big highs. We have now undone all the work we've done the past hour, and now we're gonna start over. Luckily, I'm very smart. So I didn't undo everything, I just undid the things that I needed to undo. So that's good. Yay. First, we just want to remove all the tiny little threads. Oh my god, this is going to take forever. Into the bucket of sadness. Last hopes and dreams to go in this bucket.
We got knocked down, but we're back up again and we're back on track. Everything's looking good. We've got our pieces and now we're assembling. We're putting the bottom piece with right sides together and then we're just sewing the bottom edge. We're going to put these 3 pieces together. So this is 2 pieces together and now the last piece together. And then let's go. You know what time it is. Cue the fun music. We are now coming to the end of the project and all we've got left is to do the lining. So I've chosen a different material for the lining and this is also a thrifted material. Sorry, I'm a foreigner. I don't speak much English. I'm cutting out this thrifted bed sheet and I folded it over itself and then we're just sewing the sides together and then we're going to attach it to the bag and then flip it and flop it like this. So I put the bag inside of the lining and you sew an edge around. This was a bit of like, it hurt my brain a little bit, but you have to keep a little open space on the sides of the lining so that you can pull the whole bag through so that it's like this. Oh yeah, we're getting close to the end. Last bit, just sew up the lining hole. Woohoo!